Natural light has the power to completely transform a living room. It makes spaces feel larger, brighter, and more inviting while also improving mood and reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. For homeowners in Slidell, one of the most effective ways to enhance natural light is by installing bay windows. These timeless architectural features not only elevate the look of a living room but also significantly increase the amount of sunlight that enters the home, expanding your view and your light. Unlike traditional flat windows, bay windows project outward from the exterior wall, typically consisting of a large center window flanked by two angled side windows. This unique design allows light to enter from multiple directions throughout the day. Instead of relying on a single stream of sunlight, your living room benefits from a broader, more consistent flow of natural illumination. In Slidell, where sunny days are common, bay windows help homeowners make the most of the available daylight. Morning light can filter in from one angle, while afternoon sunlight enters from another, keeping your living room bright for longer periods without needing to flip a switch. Making your living room feel larger, natural light doesn't just brighten the space, it visually expands it. Dark corners and shadowy walls can make even a spacious living room feel smaller. By increasing the amount of incoming light, bay windows eliminate those dim areas and create a more open, airy feel. Because bay windows extend outward, they also add a small amount of square footage to your living room. Even a modest extension can make the room feel less confined. Many Slidell homeowners use this additional space for cozy seating areas, reading nooks, or decorative displays, enhancing both function and style. Creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere, living rooms are gathering spaces. They're where families relax, entertain guests, and spend quality time together. A bright, sunlit environment naturally feels more welcoming than a dimly lit one. Bay windows help create a warm and cheerful atmosphere by allowing sunlight to pour in and illuminate furniture, flooring, and decor. The changing angles of light throughout the day add depth and dimension to the room, highlighting textures and colors in ways artificial lighting simply can't replicate. This boost in natural light can also positively impact mood and well-being. Sunlight is known to support better sleep patterns and increase overall comfort at home, something every Slidell homeowner can appreciate. Enhancing energy efficiency, more natural light means less reliance on lamps and overhead fixtures during daylight hours. By reducing the need for artificial lighting, bay windows can help lower energy usage. Modern bay windows are also designed with energy-efficient glass options that minimize heat transfer while still maximizing brightness. In Slidell's warm climate, choosing high-performance glass can help maintain indoor comfort while allowing sunlight to stream in. This balance ensures you enjoy a bright living room without sacrificing energy efficiency. Framing beautiful outdoor views. Another advantage of bay windows is the panoramic view they provide. Instead of a limited straight-on perspective, the angled side windows expand your sightlines. Whether you have a landscaped yard, mature trees, or a charming neighborhood street, bay windows help bring those outdoor elements into your living space. This stronger visual connection to the outdoors enhances the sense of openness in your living room. Even on days when you're inside, you'll feel more connected to the natural beauty surrounding your Slidell home. Increasing home value and curb appeal. Beyond improving natural light, bay windows add architectural interest to both the interior and exterior of your home. From the street, they create dimension and character. Inside, they become a focal point that elevates the entire room. For homeowners considering future resale, this upgrade can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Bright, naturally lit living rooms consistently rank high on buyers' wish lists, and bay windows deliver exactly that. A bright investment for Slidell homes. Installing bay windows is more than a design choice. It's an investment in comfort, beauty, and functionality. By increasing natural light, expanding visual space, and enhancing energy efficiency, bay windows can completely transform a Slidell living room. If your current space feels dark or closed in, adding a bay window may be the perfect solution. With the right design and professional installation, you can enjoy a brighter, more welcoming living room that feels refreshed every single day.